Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy Graves, and today I want to show you a new product called Parseal 303. It's going to be used instead of sink clips and all the mounting brackets that you need to mount an undermount sink. I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's get started. Step one is critical. We have to clean this, completely clean all the dirt off the bottom side of the countertop and the flange of the sink. Parseal 303 will not stick to dirt and oil and grease. You can just use your regular method. I use acetone. You can also use denatured alcohol, but make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, next step. We're going to apply a 1/4 inch bead of the Parseal 303 to the flange of the sink. Okay, that's about a 1/4 inch bead. So now you have 10 minutes to work with this before you actually put this sink up underneath and press it to the bottom of the countertop. But you're going to want to hold it tight and press it tight to the bottom of the countertops, and we're going to just count to 10. You do not have to position this perfect in line. Yeah, I mean, you want to get it close, but you don't have to position it perfect the first time, because after you hold it tight, then we're going to clamp it. And after we take off the clamps, then we'll be able to kind of position it exactly where we want, so we get everything lined up on the center line. So just take the sink and reach underneath there. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then you can let go of it. And so now I'm going to use this clamp and put it right through the middle of the drain. And okay, I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. And what we're doing here is we're trying to get a nice tight bond from the sink up underneath the countertop, because just holding it there with your hands, you can't really press it tight. You need to really get it up there tight. Now don't go overboard, just tighten it up like that. We'll wait about 30 seconds for this process. Now it's time to take the clamps off. I've let it set for 30 seconds. Actually, I let it set for about a minute, but the sink should be nice and stuck to the bottom of the countertop. We're going to take the clamp off, and we'll have time now to adjust it and line it up and make it look good. With the clamp removed, now's the time to get the sink center line. Obviously before, when you mounted it on there, you wanted to center it the best you could, but now you have an opportunity to really line it up, get your overhangs just right, and make it look really nice. That's perfect. Now I do have a little bit of squeeze out right here, and I'm going to go ahead and clean that with some acetone and paper towels. Now that we have everything set, the sink is mounted, it's stuck there tight, but patience is key. We need to let this set for 24 hours to let it set completely. It'll completely cure, and it'll be nice and solid. So I would recommend having the plumber come maybe the next day. In this little demonstration that I was showing you, I use Parseal 303, but I use black. I would not recommend black on a white sink with a brown countertop. I would use either the clear or the white. It does come in black, clear, and white, so you have some options. So if you're a seasoned countertop professional, give Parseal 303 a try. I think you're going to really like it. It's super easy to use. You don't have to drill the holes or set the clips, none of that stuff. And this is probably going to be a little bit less than buying clips and the hassle of using the clips. So give it a try. It's called Parseal 303. I'm going to put a link in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.